Cap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies, and we have the IU Spring water filter countertop. And what this does is it filters your water of the minerals, heavy water. It has inside that column there a filter, okay, that you change every 6 months, and that unscrews from the bottom right here. And you have also, you can buy a wrench to help you unscrew it. The water comes out over here, and this is the flipper right here. See this right here? Water goes on normally like that. You flip it up, push it up like that, see, like that, and then the water comes out over here, and it filters it for your drinking water, your coffee, and everything else. So that's what I want to show you today. And it's a pretty easy setup. It comes with different collars to fit your faucet. So I'm sure in the kit you'll find the right faucet to screw it onto your faucet here. The right one, the adapter. Okay, and you don't put it on with the adapter on with the hose on it. You have the hose, it'll come with the hose off of it. Okay, and you screw your adapter in first. Then you slip the hose on. And what I did, I can show you here. Go in there. On there, there's a zip tie. I put a zip tie around it, okay? And the zip tie holds that a little bit more secure than just putting the hose on the nipple of the faucet. So it's a good system. It's about $79. I'm sorry, guys. And you can put their link below for you. And it really, without the water filtered here, it's like Montezuma's Revenge. It's horrible. It makes you sick. So if you get stomach aches from your water, it could be that your water's too heavy. So thanks for watching. Hype the video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it if you like. Bye for now.